Cousins. Hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with us. I am moisturizing my eyes right now. That's why I got my moisturizing cream on. And this is Holy Hydration Eye Cream. For those who want to know, I love this stuff. I just let it sit for a little bit.
Marinate. And while it's marinating, we gonna talk about what we slaying today, okay?
I think I got a good one today. I've worked with this company before, so you know I'm gonna give you all the tea. But first, I gotta show love to my subscriber of the day. You know that. You know that. Alright, y'all, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family. Join the button. Join the family. 2021. Okay, y'all. Excuse my background because my son is home for the summer and he has invaded my studio. You know we don't fake the funk around here. This y'all gonna get what's the real life of my family. So yeah, my son just decided to drop all of his bags in my studio.
He decided that.
But how y'all doing? How your mom and them doing? I hope y'all doing well, y'all. I'm gonna bring you something from OMGHerHair. Now, I've worked with them before. I'm always thoroughly impressed. Thorough. That's the root word off up in there. So I'm gonna be doing something else. So let's just get into it. We're gonna unbox, see what we got, and then we're gonna throw on some music and we're gonna slay. Y'all know how we do. Y'all know. Package sauce. OMG. Is this the right? Yes. OMGHerHair. OMGHerHair.com. What's up in this box? What's up in this box? I have some headbands. These are my favorite type of headbands. They make me feel like working out or like I'm in the movie Fame. Yes. Fancy pants. I like this. This is like a mustard color headband. Y'all see I'm getting fancy on the colors now.
Back in the day I would have said yellow.
This is mustard. Another Women's Day headband, y'all. I got about 50 of these, honey. This real fancy right here. I like these, but you know what? I don't ever wear these because most of them, for some reason, they snag my hair right there. So I don't ever wear them, but I keep them because they're cute. Extra elastic to make it even more snug or glueless. Let's get into this. Wiyaaag. This is a 20-inch natural color, 150% density headband wig, 3C4A, 100% human hair. My cap size is small because that's what fits my domology. You gotta know your own domology. Thus saith the Lord for your life. Okay, take the circumference of your head right around there. That's the basic measurement that you need. Ooh, these curls are so nice, y'all. I'm definitely going to co-wash and brush this. This is going to be so cute. This is going to be so pretty, y'all. I already know it is. First of all, I've already worked with OMGHerHair enough times to know that their hair is absolutely beautiful. Look at that definition, y'all. I ain't even did nothing but take it out the thing right here. It has the standard headband that's already attached to the wig with the Velcro at the end. So you can get it snug around the back of that head. It has 1, 2, 3. See, I don't even got to look, y'all. 4 combs, and this back comb is the long comb that I like. It's so much more comfortable than those little tiny combs. And it also has an adjustable strap, y'all. That's the construction of the wig. It's what you would expect from a headband wig. Like, I'm mad excited. These chunky curls, look. Those curls are so cute and chunky. Okay, that's what it looks like in between tracks. And y'all, this matters because you want to make sure that your wig is dense enough so when the wind blows, honey, people can't see your thoughts off up and through here.
You don't want people to see your thoughts off up and through there, okay?
Now with curly hair, this right here is lovely because your scalp will be able to breathe, honey. And when you brush this out, when you wet it and brush it, it's going to be so big and voluminous and curly. You ain't going to see none of that, honey. You're not going to see any of that. It's mathematics to this. It's ratios and quantities to this, okay? OMGHerHair always does really, really, really good work. So I'm not surprised at all. So I'm just going to co-wash this. And y'all have seen me do that before. And I don't want to bore you. It's just like washing the hair just with conditioner instead of shampoo. I might apply a mousse and then brush through it. I don't know. I might. So yeah, we gonna see. Hey, I'm excited. Hold on.